What's up guys, welcome back to a new video, and today it's Bonfire and we are going outside to light some sparklers by the fire pit. It's just around the corner over here. Mom, can I get a sparkler please?
Can I get one as well? So have you seen the box you put in there burning?
Sick, that's awesome.
Right.
Let's go from here. Da Pate, Dudu und Pate, Dudu und Pate, Dudu und Pate, Pate, oh no, mana Pate. Dudu du mana waka waka banga should end now. Any second now. Just like that. So I'm going to go around the corner. I'm going to put that in the pots there. So I think we're done there. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Please subscribe and leave a comment in the description down below. And please like my videos. See ya.